Donald Trump's married life is a story of grandeur, public attention, and personal evolution. Spanning over 5 decades, he has been married 3 times, each relationship marking a distinct chapter in his life. From opulent weddings to the unique experience of living in the White House, Trump's marital journey has been closely intertwined with his public persona. This overview delves into the partnerships that have shaped not only his personal life but also his public identity. Donald Trump was born on 14 June 1946 in Queens, New York City, into a wealthy family with 4 siblings. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer, while his mother, Mary Ann McKeown Trump, was a Scottish immigrant. Trump grew up in Jamaica Estates, an affluent neighborhood where his father's achievements in real estate had a profound impact on shaping his ambitions. From an early age, Trump was exposed to a world of business and success, setting the foundation for his future pursuits. Donald Trump's rise to fame began with his entry into the family business in 1968, where he quickly made his mark. In 1971, he rebranded the company as the Trump Organization, signaling his ambition to build a personal brand. Trump's impact on New York City's skyline was undeniable, with projects like the iconic Trump Tower, completed in 1983, cementing his status as a major real estate developer. His fame extended beyond real estate when he became the host of The Apprentice from 2004 to 2015, a role that turned him into a household name and solidified his place in popular culture. Donald Trump's first marriage to Ivana Trump began with a chance meeting at a modeling event in New York in 1976. Their connection was immediate and intense, sparking a whirlwind romance that quickly captured public attention. As a power couple, they became regulars in New York's gossip columns, embodying glamour and ambition. Trump's proposal was as grand as their relationship, sealed with a stunning diamond ring. Ivana later confessed that Trump's charm was impossible to resist, setting the stage for a high-profile union that would dominate headlines for years. Ivana Trump, born Ivana Zelnikov in Czechoslovakia in 1949, grew up during the communist era, which shaped her resilience and determination. An accomplished athlete, she was an alternate for the Czechoslovakian ski team in the 1972 Olympics, a testament to her discipline and drive. Seeking greater opportunities, she moved to Canada and later to the United States to pursue a modeling career. Her striking looks and poised demeanor quickly gained attention, paving the way for her entry into high society and, ultimately, her high-profile marriage to Donald Trump. Donald and Ivana Trump tied the knot on 7 April 1977 in a grand wedding that captivated New York's high society. The ceremony took place at the historic Marble Collegiate Church, known for its association with prominent figures. Following the vows, the couple hosted a lavish reception that exuded luxury and elegance. The event was attended by New York's elite, featuring fine dining, extravagant decor, and top-tier entertainment. The wedding set the tone for their high-profile marriage, which would continue to make headlines for years to come. Donald and Ivana's love story blossomed further with the arrival of their 3 children, each carving their own place in the Trump legacy. Donald Trump Jr., born on 31 December 1977, was the first to step into his father's formidable shadow, inheriting his sharp business instincts and bold personality. Ivanka Trump followed on 30 October 1981, radiating grace and ambition. She grew to become not just a daughter but a trusted advisor, her poise and intellect making her a force in both fashion and finance. Eric Trump, the youngest, was born on 6 January 1984, bringing a quiet strength to the family. As he matured, he embraced leadership roles within the Trump Organization, solidifying the next generation's presence in the empire. Together, they became more than just Trump's children, they became his pride, his legacy, and a reflection of the powerful bond he once shared with Ivana. Ivana Trump was more than just Donald's partner in life, she became a driving force in the Trump empire. As Vice President of Interior Design, her refined European taste brought elegance and sophistication to many Trump properties, leaving a distinct mark on their signature style. But Ivana's talents stretched far beyond design. She took the helm as president of Trump's Castle Casino Resort in Atlantic City, where she proved her sharp business acumen and fearless leadership. When Donald purchased the iconic Plaza Hotel in 1988, Ivana stepped in to manage it with a hands-on approach, ensuring every detail reflected perfection. Her grace and determination made her a powerhouse in her own right, cementing her place not just as Trump's wife, but as a key architect of their shared empire. Donald and Ivana Trump quickly became the golden couple of New York's high society, their lives a dazzling reflection of 1980s ambition and extravagance. From glittering charity galas to exclusive events, they move effortlessly among the city's elite, their every appearance turning heads. The media couldn't get enough. Tabloids and society magazines eagerly followed their every move, painting a picture of glamour and power. Together with their children, they cultivated an image of the perfect power family, embodying success and sophistication. Their lavish lifestyle, complete with penthouses and private jets, fascinated the public, making them not just socialites but symbols of an era where ambition knew no limits and love stories unfolded under the flash of paparazzi cameras. For years, Donald and Ivana Trump appeared to be the ultimate power couple, their lives a glamorous blend of love, ambition, and success. Yet behind the glittering facade, tensions quietly simmered. Ivana's growing influence in the Trump organization created a delicate power dynamic, as personal and professional lines began to blur. As their empire flourished, so did whispers of unrest, with rumors of dollars infidelity creeping into the tabloids. The admiration that once filled the gossip columns slowly shifted to speculation, and the cracks in their perfect image became harder to hide. What once seemed like a fairy tale began to unravel, as passion and ambition collided behind closed doors. Donald Trump's life took a dramatic turn in 1989 when he crossed paths with Malla Maples, a 26-year-old aspiring actress from Georgia. What began as a spark soon ignited into a clandestine affair, unfolding behind the scenes while Trump was still married to Ivana. Yet, secrets rarely stay hidden under the glare of the media spotlight. The whispers grew louder until scandal erupted in the most dramatic fashion, a confrontation between Ivana and Malla on the snowy slopes of Aspen that same year. The tabloids pounced, turning their private turmoil into public spectacle. What had once been a carefully crafted image of the perfect power couple was now unraveling, leaving behind a tale of passion, betrayal, and heartbreak played out on the world stage. Donald and Ivana Trump's high-profile split became one of the most sensational divorces of the decade, captivating the public and dominating headlines in 1990. New York's tabloids had a field day, unraveling the drama behind the once glamorous power couple. As the proceedings unfolded, the battle grew fierce. Ivana challenged their prenuptial agreement, determined to claim a greater share of the fortune she had helped build. After a whirlwind of legal clashes and media scrutiny, the divorce was finalized in 1992, with Ivana receiving approximately $14 million, a luxurious mansion, and a coveted apartment in Trump Plaza. The saga played out like a soap opera, with every twist and turn eagerly devoured by a fascinated public. In the end, their love story, once gilded in ambition and romance, became a cautionary tale of passion, power, and heartbreak under the relentless gaze of the spotlight. Donald Trump's second great love story unfolded with Malla Maples, a Southern belle whose charm and warmth captivated him. Born in Dalton, Georgia, in 1963, Malla's small-town roots shaped her gentle spirit and down-to-earth nature. She chased her dreams to New York, where she pursued a career in acting and modeling, eventually gracing both the silver screen and Broadway. Yet, Malla was more than just a rising star. Her spiritual depth and kind-hearted persona set her apart from the glittering socialites of the city. In a world of ambition and extravagance, she brought a softness and sincerity that stood in contrast to Trump's high-stakes world. Their connection sparked a new chapter in his life, one painted with Southern charm and quiet grace. Donald and Malla's relationship unfolded under a storm of controversy, with Malla cast as the other woman in the tabloids' relentless narratives. Their romance was anything but private, facing intense scrutiny as the media dissected every glance and whisper between them. Malla's now infamous quote, "Best sex I've ever had," only fueled the frenzy, cementing their affair as headline gold. Yet amidst the scandal, life moved forward. In 1993, news broke that Malla was pregnant, turning the spotlight even brighter on their whirlwind love story. The pressure to formalize their relationship mounted, and soon after, Trump proposed, setting the stage for a new chapter in his life, one born from passion and controversy, but poised for a fresh start. On 13 October 1993, Donald Trump and Malla Maples welcomed their daughter, Tiffany Trump, into the world in West Palm Beach, Florida. As Trump's fourth child, her arrival was instantly newsworthy, with the media eagerly awaiting the first glimpse of the newest member of the Trump dynasty. Her name carried a touch of glamour and symbolism, inspired by the iconic jewelry store Tiffany & Co., whose air rights Trump famously purchased to build his crown jewel, Trump Tower, on Fifth Avenue. From the moment she was born, Tiffany's life was touched by both legacy and luxury, her arrival adding a softer, more sentimental note to a love story that had already captivated the public's imagination. Donald Trump and Malla Maples seized their whirlwind romance in a dazzling winter wedding on 20 December 1993. The lavish affair unfolded at Trump's very own Plaza Hotel in New York City, a venue as grand as their love story. With 1,000 guests in attendance, the event was a star-studded spectacle, drawing in celebrities like O.J. Simpson and Rosie O'Donnell, who added an extra layer of glamour to the festivities. The plaza shimmered with elegance as the couple exchanged vows, surrounded by opulence and the watchful eyes of the media. It was a celebration befitting a man who built his empire on grandeur and a woman whose charm brought warmth to his high-powered world. The December wedding was more than just a union. It was a moment where love and luxury intertwined under the glow of 1,000 lights. As Mrs. Trump, Malla Maples carved a quieter path, choosing a life centered around family and personal passions rather than the high-stakes work of business. Unlike Ivana, Malla had little involvement in Trump's empire, focusing instead on nurturing her acting career and exploring opportunities in entertainment. Her greatest devotion, however, was to raising their daughter, Tiffany, splitting their time between the bustling energy of New York and the sunny retreats of Florida. Though she occasionally appeared at Trump's side for public events, Malla remained more reserved, often shying away from the relentless media spotlight. Her life with Donald was painted with contrasts, glamour and simplicity, ambition and intimacy, as she sought balance in a world where every move was headline news. Donald and Malla's fairytale wedding soon gave way to a reality filled with tension and mismatched dreams. Their differences, once perhaps intriguing, began to create a rift. Malla's desire for a quieter, more grounded life clashed with Trump's fast-paced, high-profile world. By May 1997, the cracks could no longer be hidden, and Trump publicly announced their separation, shocking those who believed their love was still burning bright. The tabloids pounced, turning their unraveling marriage into a media circus. Gossip columns brimmed with speculation, dissecting every whisper and rumor. What had once been a whirlwind romance ended under the harsh glare of public scrutiny, marking the close of yet another chapter in Trump's complex love life. Donald Trump and Malla Maples officially ended their marriage in June 1999, nearly 2 years after their separation. Unlike Trump's first divorce, the proceedings were relatively smooth, though the media still kept a watchful eye. Malla walked away with a reported $2 million settlement, a sum defined by the ironclad prenuptial agreement she had signed before their lavish wedding. While their romantic chapter came to a close, Malla's focus remained on Tiffany. She gained primary custody of their daughter and moved to California, seeking a quieter life away from the glare of New York's spotlight. The distance marked a new beginning, one where Malla and Tiffany could write their own story, far from the opulence and drama that had once surrounded them. After his divorce from Malla Maples, Donald Trump fully embraced the bachelor lifestyle, relishing his return to the social spotlight. Between 1999 and 2005, he became a fixture at glamorous events, often seen on the arms of models and celebrities, each appearance sparking new headlines. The tabloids couldn't get enough of his high-profile romances and extravagant nights out, painting a picture of a man who thrived in the limelight. Whether attending charity galas, exclusive parties, or red carpet events, Trump's bachelor years were a whirlwind of luxury, attention, and endless intrigue, a chapter where the pursuit of love seemed secondary to the thrill of the chase. Melania Knauss entered Donald Trump's life with an air of quiet elegance and mystery, her journey a stark contrast to the glitz of Manhattan's elite. Born Melanija Navs in Novo Mesto, Slovenia, in 1970, she grew up in a modest family during the communist era of Yugoslavia, where dreams of glamour felt worlds away. But Melania had ambition and poise, stepping into the world of modeling at just 16. Her career whisked her from the runways of Milan and Paris to the bustling heart of New York City by the mid-1990s. In 1996, she made the bold leap to settle in the Big Apple, where she graced prestigious modeling agencies and appeared in major fashion publications. Melania's quiet determination and striking beauty set her apart, and it wouldn't be long before fate and Donald Trump took notice. Donald Trump and Melania Knauss first crossed paths at a glamorous New York Fashion Week party in September 1998, a meeting that would spark a love story spanning decades. Trump arrived with another date, but the moment he saw Melania, his attention shifted entirely. Captivated by her beauty and poise, he boldly asked for her number. Yet Melania wasn't easily swayed. Instead of giving in to his charm right away, she turned the tables and asked for his information, a move that left a lasting impression on the billionaire. Her quiet confidence intrigued him, setting the stage for a courtship where persistence, intrigue, and undeniable attraction would slowly weave their lives together. Donald and Melania's courtship blossomed in 1999, a romance that defied expectations and thrived despite their 24-year age gap. From the moment they began dating, Melania's quiet elegance complemented Trump's larger-than-life persona, making them a captivating pair. As their bond deepened, she became a regular presence at his side, turning heads at high-profile events with her grace and beauty. By 2001, Melania moved into Trump Tower, a sign of their growing commitment. Unlike Trump's past relationships, this one unfolded with a steadier rhythm, marked by quiet devotion rather than whirlwind drama. Their love story, though played out in the public eye, carried a sense of calm, a partnership built on mutual admiration and a shared understanding of life in the spotlight. After 5 years of steady romance, Donald Trump decided to take the next step with Melania in a way only he could, with grandeur and spectacle. The relationship had already outlasted his previous courtships, building a foundation that felt different, more enduring. When the moment came, Trump proposed with a dazzling 15-carat diamond ring from the prestigious House of Graf, its sheer size making headlines and symbolizing the magnitude of his affection. The setting was equally iconic, the Met Gala, one of fashion's most glamorous nights. Under the shimmering lights and surrounded by the elite of New York society, Trump's public proposal added yet another layer of intrigue to their love story. It was a moment of luxury, love, and a promise that their partnership was ready to take on forever. Donald and Melania's wedding wasn't just a celebration of love, it was a star-studded affair that brought together power, fame, and fortune under one glittering roof. Among the notable guests were Bill and Hillary Clinton, whose attendance would gain political significance years later during Trump's presidential run. The event also drew a dazzling array of celebrities, from supermodel Heidi Klum to music mogul P. Diddy and basketball legend Shaquille O'Neal, adding a touch of Hollywood glamour to the night. Business elites mingled with socialites, reflecting Trump's vast network across industries. The guest list read like a who's who of influence and prestige, making the wedding not just a personal milestone, but a headline-grabbing event that merged romance with high society's allure. Melania's wedding dress was nothing short of a masterpiece, embodying luxury and grandeur in every stitch. Designed by John Galliano for Christian Dior, the gown was a breathtaking display of haute couture craftsmanship. Adorned with 1,500 crystal embellishments and delicate pearls, its intricate beadwork required hundreds of hours of meticulous handwork. The dress itself was a marvel of scale and elegance, boasting a 13-foot train and a 16-foot veil that cascaded behind her, creating an unforgettable bridal silhouette. Weighing around 50 pounds, the gown was as much a work of art as it was a fashion statement. With an estimated price tag of $100,000, Melania's dress became iconic, earning a 14-page spread in Vogue magazine and solidifying her place as a modern-day princess in a wedding fit for royalty. In the early years of their marriage, Donald and Melania Trump settled into a life where business, glamour, and media attention seamlessly intertwined. Melania carved out her own niche, stepping into the entrepreneurial world with a jewelry line and a skincare collection that bore her name, subtly building her own brand while remaining a supportive partner. The couple became regulars on red carpets, where Melania's sophisticated fashion choices earned praise from style critics, cementing her status as a modern fashion icon. She also made occasional appearances on The Apprentice, offering a calm, poised presence that stood in stark contrast to the show's high-stakes drama. Together, they navigated the spotlight, their partnership blending business ambition with quiet elegance, hinting at a love story that thrived behind the glitz and glamour. On 20th March 2006, Donald and Melania Trump welcomed their son, Baron William Trump, into the world, a cherished addition to their lives and Donald's fifth child. For Melania, Baron was her first, and she embraced motherhood with grace and devotion. His arrival brought a new sense of warmth to their marriage, with Melania taking on the role of a hands-on mother, ensuring he had a nurturing and private upbringing despite the family's public life. Baron's birth also marked a new chapter for Donald, who found himself balancing the demands of business with fatherhood once again, this time with a significant age gap between Baron and his older siblings. In their towering Trump Tower home, Melania created a heaven of love and stability for her young son, grounding their glamorous life in quiet family moments. Donald Trump's presidential campaign began with a moment that would become iconic, the famous escalator descent in June 2015, with Melania gracefully by his side. As Trump launched into the political arena, Melania's support was quiet but unwavering, though she initially hesitated to step into the harsh glare of political life. Accustomed to her private world, she carefully balanced her role as a devoted wife and mother with the growing demands of the campaign. Over time, Melania's presence grew more pronounced. Her poise and elegance offered a calm counterpoint to Trump's bold rhetoric, and she took the national stage with grace during her first major speech at the Republican National Convention. As the campaign intensified, Melania's quiet strength became a pillar of support, standing as a symbol of loyalty and composure amid the whirlwind of politics. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.